video shows the new Tree-control Navigator that is optionally available in a feature pack for the version 10 grid component. So you can see here we have a simple grid showing data from the customer table in Alpha Sports, and then to the left we have a tree control that is dynamically populated using Ajax callback. So for example, if I go there and expand Massachusetts, we make a callback to the server to get a list of all of the cities in Massachusetts. Then if I were to go and click on an individual entry in the tree control, the grid is filtered based on that entry. So that's why it's called the Tree-control Navigator, because it causes the grid to navigate. So for example, if I just go there and click on California, I get to see all of the records where the state is California. Then if I go and I expand the California node, I get to see all the cities in California. If I then, for example, go and click on Los Angeles, I get to see the records in Los Angeles. And then if I go there and click on an individual record inside the Los Angeles branch, I filter on that particular record. So let's take a look now at how we set up this Tree-control Navigator. So what I have here is another grid which is also based on the same customer table from Alpha Sports, but it does not yet have the Tree-control Navigator in. So let's go now to Properties, and I'm going to go here and search for Tree, and this entry now is enabled because I have the feature pack for the Tree-control Navigator installed. If you don't have that installed, you won't see this entry there. So I'll go there now and I'll click the button to open up the builder, and let's open up the builder here. So we can either base our tree on data that comes from a DBF table or a SQL table. So I'm going to choose DBF right now, and I'm going to choose the customer table, and now I can go and define the hierarchy of my tree. So at the top level of the tree, I'd like to show all of the states, so I'll choose Bill State Region. At the next level of my tree within state, I'd like to choose city, so I'll go there and choose city. And then at the next level of my tree, I would like to choose last name, so I'll go ahead there and choose that. I can preview what my tree looks like. For example, there's Massachusetts, and then go down to say Cambridge, and there are the entries. So I can go ahead there and preview it. Then the next thing I need to do is specify filters. So when the user makes a selection in the tree, do I want the grid to be filtered? It's optional. I could choose yes or no, and then the same thing is true for city. When the user chooses a city in the tree, do I want to apply a filter? And then finally, when the user chooses a last name in the tree, do I want to apply a filter? So let's start out now and go ahead and define our first filter. So we're going to go here and we'll choose a filter expression, and we'll bring up our builder. And we're going to say that when the user chooses a value in the state, from the state field, we're going to filter the grid on state. So there we go, and then click OK. And I'm going to just copy this to the clipboard, and then go to the next level and go ahead here and define a filter. So when we define the filter right now, we're going to be filtering on city equals the current value in the tree, but we also want to filter on state equals the current value of the state, so that we, for example, can differentiate between, say, a Paris, Texas and a Paris, France, for example. So let's go ahead now and define this filter again, and go there and then paste in the first part, and then go ahead here and type in and then we want to go here and choose city equals, and then quote quote, and then go there and go there and choose city. So now we've defined the filter at the second level. I'm going to just copy that to the clipboard, and let's pause now and pick it up in the next video.